The gear coupling is a metallic coupling designed with best-in-class torque ratings and bore capacity. It is half-for-half interchangeable with AGMA gear couplings and component-for-component interchangeable with Falk, Lifeline, and Kopflex Series H+ gear couplings. This video walks through installation and is a supplement to Instruction Manual MN4026. Gear couplings are available in flexible halves consisting of a flexible hub and flexible sleeve or a rigid half consisting of a solid rigid hub. This video demonstrates a flex-flex configuration and clearance fit hub installation. For details on the installation of interference fit hubs, refer to the Dodge Interference Fit Hub Installation Module. Before installation, ensure equipment is turned off using proper lockout/tagout procedures. Use required personal protective equipment. For this installation, you need 2 flexible hubs, 2 flexible sleeves, 2 O-rings, a hardware kit, a gasket, and Dodge coupling grease. Eliminate any imperfections from the shaft. Place the key in the key seat. Next, clean the hubs using a cloth dampened with a non-flammable solvent. This removes all protective coatings applied at the manufacturing plant. Lightly coat the 2 O-rings with grease. Insert the O-rings into each flexible sleeve. Next, grease the teeth of each sleeve. Slide each sleeve to the back of the shaft. For shaft spacing flexibility, gear coupling teeth are machined off-center on the hub. As a result, hubs can be oriented multiple ways to accommodate desired shaft spacing. Slide the first hub onto the shaft and ensure it is flush with the end of the shaft. Tighten the set screws to the specified torque to secure the hub. Repeat this process for the second hub. Position shaft ends to the distance specified in the manual. Verify shaft alignment using a reverse dial indicator at 90-degree increments around the hub. Next, assemble the sleeves onto the hubs. Insert the gasket between the sleeves. Finally, assemble and secure all hardware to the specified torque using a star pattern. Locate and remove both lubrication plugs. For an extended 3-year warranty and best performance, use Dodge coupling grease. Lubricate until you see grease purge from the opposite opening. Reinstall lubrication plugs. Your gear coupling is now ready for operation. We have put product support at your fingertips. For our online selection program, visit ptwizard.com. And for our e-commerce platform, visit dodge.ptplace.com.